Hello, baby lovers. My name is Bibiana, and you're welcome to Baby's Kitchen. Today, we are going to be making Jambalaya's rice, and I love this rice in particular because it is very rich. Yes, it's very rich. So, let me take you through all our ingredients for today. On the ingredients table, we have our fresh tomato blended. We have our fresh pepper blended with ginger and garlic. We have our Knorr chicken. We have our veggies. All our veggies, chicken, sausage, bell pepper, carrot, they are cut in Joalin style. So we have our sausage, chicken, carrots, bell pepper, and then we have our vegetable oil. We have our green pea. We have our rice. We have our tin tomato, onions, bay leaf, thyme, paprika. So now we get a clean pan because now we are going to stir fry our protein. Get a clean pan, put 2 tablespoons of oil on it. It's advisable to use a non-sticking pot. Unfortunately, my pan is not a non-sticky, so please bear with me. Then put your onions. After you put your pan on the fire with the oil, put your onion, put a little garlic, because you want the chicken, to be well flavored. And after the aroma has mixed together, you can now come with your chicken breast. Give you a brief insight. Do you know that jambalaya rice is originated from Spain? When the Spanish people came to New Orleans, they wanted to make a meal called paella, but they couldn't get saffron because saffron was so expensive. Saffron is a spice from flour, and that flour is not in New Orleans, so they have to import it, and they couldn't because it's so expensive. It was not available, so they found an alternative, and they decided to replace saffron with fresh tomato, and that is how the birth of jambalaya rice came into. And so we have to thank the Spanish people, because if not for their concussion, we wouldn't have had one of the most richest and delicious and tasty meal ever when it comes to rice. And guess what? This food is not just for them now. As the cost of year run, everyone start adopting this food, personalizing it. German came, they start adding sausage to it, different ethnic groups, different countries, different entity, even Nigeria. Trust my Nigeria people now, we even carry on for head past themselves. Eh? I mean, in this my own recipe, if you follow my recipe, I put my own fresh tatashe, and I put fresh pepper. I even put Cameroon yellow pepper inside, just to give it that flavor, that season, that by the time you eat it, your head go just dey sweet you. Now put your sausages in. Your sausage has gone in, and then stir fry it the same way you went in with the chicken. Stir fry it until it become golden brown before you pack it off. Clean pot, make sure it's dried up well, and then you can go with your vegetable oil, not too much oil, and then put your onions and your garlic, diced garlic. Put your onions and your garlic, and then mix it well. Oh my god, I love the flavor of onions and garlic. And then you can now put your tin tomato and then blend it. Make sure you turn it very well. The tin tomato has to turn color, and then you can now put your fresh pepper and then your fresh tomato in it, and then you stir fry it and mix it together until it's very, very brownish. Before you can now put your thyme. You put your thyme in it and stir fry it. You can be adding the rest of your seasoning. Your paprika can go in here, your curry can go in here now. Mix it well, mix it very, very well. Allow the flavor to mix together and to come out. Then you can now add your bay leaf. Bay leaf is very, very important in this because it gives your food a very good taste. And then you can now add your seasoning. I'm using no flavor, no Maggi in this one, so it gives my sauce a very add your seasoning taste. Then you can now add water. Add water and mix it together. Wash your rice. I've already pre-washed my rice. Wash it very well to remove some starch, and then you can now add your rice in your sauce and then stir it, not too hard, stir it just little, gentle stir, and then you can now add your fried chicken breast and your sausage together, and then you stir it to mix it very well. You can now add your carrots, add your carrots, and then stir it a little too. Stir it very well. Make sure everything is mixed together. You can now cover your pot and let it cook. I'm going to be using foil to cover this pot because I want the steam to circulate within the pot to soften my rice faster. Have to be careful not to get your hand burnt. Okay, so please be careful in the kitchen. After you have allowed it to cook for some time, might cook for about 15 minutes, then I can come back and check on it to make sure that the water has not totally dried out. And as you can see, plus the heat from the foil, and then you can check there's still water in it, there's still moisture. You can now put your green pea. Put your green pea inside, and then put your bell pepper, which is the red pepper and the green pepper that we are using. Mix it very well. The heat will do the work. So reduce your heat now, reduce your fire, and then let's just be a light heat. It will get cooked. The rice is softened enough now. So cover it again, allow the steam to finally soften the rice. Cover it very well. Please be careful because the pot is hot. Cover it and allow it to cook for some time. And by the time you open it, your rice is ready. I love jambalaya rice because it's very rich. Really, seriously, the rice is very, very rich. You can now check for your taste and see if everything is okay. You can see the color, you can see everything that is inside. This is a complete balanced diet, right guys? So let me know where you're watching from and if you're going to be, if you find this recipe useful and what you'll be having yours with in the comment section. Thank you. See you on my next video. Now we are going to pack the rice for my clients. So you can pack with me. For the meantime, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also we deliver these in bowls and in liters, and we cater for outdoors events, for small office gathering. So don't just go to our DM. The contacts are there. We are just a DM and we can reach us in our DM number. See you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.